ready?
Yes.
Alright, you ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Chris Tyson, a member of the MrBeast team, welcomed his firstborn child at 6:59 p.m. on the 18th of June 2020. He shared the news on his Instagram, saying, "Tucker Stephen," then the date and time of delivery. Speaking before the birth, Jimmy Donaldson, better known as MrBeast, shared on Twitter, "Chris might become a dad tomorrow." Due to hospital restrictions in place to prevent the spread of COVID-19, Chris was the only visitor permitted to see wife Katie during the birth. Chris explained, "I wish you guys could come to the hospital, but I'm the only visitor allowed. But soon." Congratulations to Chris and all the MrBeast team on his new delivery. The baby, Tucker Stephen Tyson, has an Instagram account made when Katie was still in labor. The account, named after Chris Tyson, Tucker the Memogod, has amassed over 100k followers on Instagram. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like this video and comment down below.
Remember to like this video and subscribe with notifications on.